Hello friends, in the series on income tax cases, today we will discuss a very important case where a thin line of distinction has been drawn by Chandigarh ITAT A bench between the proceedings under section 148 and the proceedings under section 153C. The issue before the honorable bench was that if in the search of an assessee some incriminating material is found relating to the other assessee, then in that case whether the proceedings under section 153C is to be taken or proceedings under section 148 is to be taken before 1st April 2021. This issue has been taken up by the bench in the case of Joint Commissioner of Income Tax versus Kapil Thapar, and this case is reported in 128 ITR Tribunal, short notes 22, and the date of the judgment is 28th October 2025. In the present case, there was a search on K group, and on the basis of the search on K group, some document was recovered from a person R. From that document, the assessing officer made reason to believe that the assessee who has sold 1/4 share of his property to a person L, the L has given some more amount in cash to the assessee which has escaped assessment, and accordingly the assessing officer issued notice under section 148 to the assessee, and accordingly the learned assessing officer made the addition under section 69 for on money received by the assessee from the sale of his 1/4 share in the property. The clinching fact of the case was that this reopening was done on the basis of the material found in the search of K group from a person R. When the matter was before the CIT appeal, the CIT appeal said that the reopening under section 148 was justified but deleted the addition on the basis of the merit of the case. The revenue was before the tribunal and challenging the deletion of this addition, the assessee raised the additional ground. The submission of the assessee was that in the present case, since the reopening has been done on the basis of wrong reasons recorded by the assessing officer, so the jurisdiction of section 148 does not satisfy the case. It was the submission of the assessee that if the revenue is reopening the case of the assessee on the basis of the material found in the search of other person, so in that case the case of the assessee should be opened under section 153C. Section 153C subsection 1 clause B says that if there is a search on one person and in the search of that person some material is found relating to the other assessee, then the AO has to record a finding that this material belongs to the other person, and because of this material the income has escaped the assessment of that person. Since in the present case the case of the assessee was falling under the section 153C proceedings, so the AO has misguided himself in initiating the proceedings under the assessee under section 148, so the tribunal quashed the proceedings under section 148 on the basis that in the present case the section 148 was not the right section in which the proceedings has been initiated. The right section was section 153C, and hence the whole assessment proceedings are bad in law. Friends, this case is applicable for the cases before 1st April 2021, because after 1st April 2021 now section 153C is not on a statute. But in those cases, a number of the cases are there where the department is very loosely reopening the cases of the assessees under section 148, where the right section is section 153C. So this case is very helpful. We have to see that under which section our case is to be reopened, whether it is section 153C or section 148. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Joint Commissioner of Income Tax versus Kapil Thapar, and this case is reported in 128 ITR Tribunal, short notes 22, and the date of the judgment is 28th October 2025, and the matter has been decided by Chandigarh ITAT A bench. Thank you, friends.